Hey, what's up guys? It's Dan Froelke here, and in this video, I want to show you how to make $500 per day even if you were a brand new beginner online with absolutely zero marketing experience. Now, this involves a little known website that's made me thousands of dollars my first 2 weeks alone. And these are $500 instant commissions paid directly to me multiple times per week and sometimes multiple times per day. So grab a pen and paper and take some notes because I'm going to show you right now how myself and others are earning these $500 instant commissions with a little known website. And I'm sure you've never seen this before. Now, if you don't know me or you're brand new to my channel, my name is Dan Froelke, and for over 15 years now, I haven't worked for anyone. I've made my income entirely using these automated systems that pay out 100% commissions. And I've taught thousands of people to do the same along the way. And that's what my YouTube channel is all about. So if you're interested in learning how to make money online from someone who's been doing it now for over 15 years while helping others do the same, well, make sure you subscribe to my channel and tick the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new income strategy or review. All right, so I'm going to jump on my computer right now. I'm going to show you step by step how myself and others are making $500 per day with a little known website. All right, let's go. This little known website is called Infinite 500. It's a brand new e-learning platform that allows you to earn 100% commissions when you promote their high-end digital products. And you can do this as a beginner with no experience or no technical skills whatsoever. Now, the e-learning economy is a $950 billion market, and it's growing by leaps and bounds. Selling digital products is huge. Now, for example, last year, in 2023, it was a $1 billion per year industry. That is for the entire year. Now, this year, in 2024, it's a $1.2 billion per day industry. So selling digital products is huge right now. And it's projected to be a $3 billion per day industry in 2027. So again, selling digital products is huge. And that's what we do here at Infinite 500. That's what the products are. And I love Infinite 500 because there's no inventory to keep. And you get paid 100% commissions. And these commissions are paid directly to you however you want to accept these commissions. With Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, money order, cashier's check, however you want to accept these payments. And I also like the fact that you can learn as you earn, right? And you're selling something that helps other marketers. Now, I know from experience, it can be a little scary starting a new online business, okay? I remember way back 15 years ago when I was trying to put all these things together. There's a lot of moving parts. There's a lot of things to try to figure out on your own. Well, Infinite 500 breaks it all down for you and supplies everything you need to make money online and have a successful online business, even if you are a brand new beginner with zero marketing experience. So right now, I want to show you exactly what you're going to get and how easy it is to set your new business up when you become a reseller with Infinite 500. So first, 95% of the Infinite 500 business is automated. You'll get 2 custom bill capture pages, a high converting sales page, and an in-house autoresponder and professionally written emails that go out automatically to your prospects on your behalf. Let me walk you through that real quick. So this is what I mean by automation. First, you're going to market your new business using the company's proven and time-tested marketing strategies. We have many ways to market Infinite 500, both online and offline, free methods and paid methods. For example, you will get access to the company's Letter Shop Fulfillment Center, where, at the click of a button, you can order postcards and flyers and have them mailed out to targeted prospects. All done for you, completely hands-free. They do it all. They also have done-for-you ad providers, targeted website providers, and SMS text broadcasting providers. And these marketing methods are perfect for the brand new beginner online with zero experience because they're hands-free and done for you. And here's something that's really cool that sets this business apart from everything else out there. And it's just another reason why Infinite 500 works so well for beginners. You will also have access to the professional call center. And these people are trained to handle all inbound calls on your behalf. They will answer all your prospects' questions. They'll do all the selling and telling for you. And they even help your prospects through the joining process while you get paid. You will never have to answer any questions. No selling, no talking to anybody. And it's cool that the company has removed the roadblock that has prevented people from having success online. Okay, so you don't have to do any selling and telling. They do it all for you. And this feature is optional. Let me show you. And all I have to do is jump over to the main menu here and click on Settings and then System Settings. Now, I really like this feature because you can activate and deactivate the call center sales team. Okay, I usually have this off. Again, this is an option. They will do all the selling and telling for you. I just have this activated right now to show you where it is on the sales page. All right, so if we jump over to the sales page here, and everyone gets a sales page, I'm going to scroll down to this area right here with the 877 number. Okay, so if your prospect has any questions, concerns, or just need help getting started, well, all they have to do is give this number a call, and depending upon if it's late in the evening, they may get a recording. It's usually a live call center. However, if you happen to get a recording, well, all you have to do is leave your name and your sponsor's ID, and that'll all be explained to you on the recording. Or if they answer, the very first thing they're going to do is ask you the sponsor ID. Okay, that way you'll get credit for the sale. All right, so that's how that works. Again, this is optional. And also, I want to mention, when they do make sales for you, they're going to take 20%. Okay, so instead of $500, you're going to get $400. I think that's well worth it. If you don't want to speak to anybody, they do everything for you. Okay, again, this is an option. You can turn it on or turn it off. And as you can see here, your Infinite 500 business has a very easy to navigate back office. It's incredibly easy to set your business up. And the support and communication is phenomenal. You'll even get real-time tracking of leads and sales, meaning you're going to get an email every time someone opts into your capture page, an email when a prospect signs up, and this is really cool. When a prospect calls into the call center, you will receive an email alert letting you know the callback team is working on a sale for you at that moment, and that's live. So earlier, I mentioned the digital products that you'll get when you become a reseller of Infinite 500, if you choose to do that. And I just want to say, these products are not the old rehash products that some other companies are giving to their member base. These are full video courses that will teach you various subjects step by step. All right, I want to talk about something very special that I put together for those who join me directly in Infinite 500. I want to personally help you make more of these $500 instant commissions. So I created my Team 90-Day Blitz. For 90 days, I will be providing you with some quality top tier 1 traffic from one of my favorite traffic vendors, 𝗗𝗜𝗦𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗜𝗠𝗘𝗥. He owns Elite Solo Ads, and I've been using his solo ad traffic for about 2 years now with one of my other online businesses with great success. I've made a ton of sales with his traffic. So I put together a team traffic rotator using Alessandro's traffic to help you make more sales. And I will add your referral link to my traffic rotator for a period of 90 days. Now, I'm actually really, and this is no joke, paying for this top tier 1 traffic right in my own pocket, just so you know that. So that's 90 days of quality top tier 1 traffic sent to your Infinite 500 capture page from me, absolutely free. You're also going to get a tracking link from me to track those clicks. I also put some other bonuses in place to help you with your Infinite 500 business. And this is really cool. All the bonuses that you see on this page, you can use yourself to incentivize your business. All right, there you have it. How you can make $500 per day with this little known platform, Infinite 500. Now, hopefully you've got enough information now to make an educated decision whether or not this is a good fit for you. Now, if you're interested and you want more information, and if you want to see all my team bonuses, well, all you have to do is click the very first link in the description of this video. Put your best email address in there. You're going to be redirected to see all my bonuses, and you can also join from that page as well. So if you have any questions on what you saw here today, leave them in the comments section below, or I'll have my personal information there. You can reach out to me personally, okay? Hey, that's good. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video. See you later.